Welding is one of those skills that is always needed, and welding is a well-paid job. Florida Panhandle Technical College in downtown Chipley, Florida is now offering a night welding class to start immediately, with open enrollment so you can start when you're ready. Classes will be held on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays from 5:30 until 9:30 p.m., taught by AWS and CWI certified instructor Jared Craven. For more information about how you can become a welder at Florida Panhandle Technical College night welding classes, call 850-638-1180, extension 317, and start welding and making a great living today.